How to create account or log into CoinMarketCap. If you want to create account or log into CoinMarketCap, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the CoinMarketCap application, and once you've done that, you will see this type of interface right here. Now to sign up or log in, you can tap on the profile icon. First of all, if you don't have an account, you can see the sign up button there, so tap on the sign up button. You can sign up using independent email and password and create an account right away, or you can continue with Google, Apple, or your wallet ID depending upon whatever is much more comfortable for you. But if you already have an account, however, also you can just tap on the login button instead and enter your email and password manually, or continue with Google, Apple, or wallet. So if in my case I have linked with my Google account, I can simply select that. Once I've done that, I can simply choose an account that I wish to log in with, and after I've done that, I'll be successfully logged in into my CoinMarketCap account, as you'd be able to find right over here. And this is a simple way on how I should be able to go ahead and then basically log in or create an account on CoinMarketCap. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.